Hey guys, how's it going? You're probably not going to respond to that anyway. I'm Atsu here, and today I'm going to show you how to change your name on twitch.tv or Twitch, whatever you want to call it. Now, I'm making this because most of the tutorials I've made regarding to name change get a decent amount of views, and us YouTubers, we love the views. And plus, I have to change my name as well, so it can't get better than this, I think, unless I end up with like 10 views, but that's besides the point. I'm going to show you two ways to do this. One way is pretty simple, straightforward. The other method, however, is for the people that are having complications for whatever reason. Although I think I shouldn't have any, so I'll just use method 1 myself. So let's hop onto the desktop. Here we're on my desktop. I know it's not the cleanest desktop. I'm working on it, but either way, let's get into it. First things first, open your internet browser because we're gonna need that. Doesn't matter what you use. Just make sure you're on Google or something and type in Twitch. This should pop up with twitch.tv being the first result. You want to go ahead and click there. Now that we're here, we're gonna have to go ahead and log in. In the top right corner, you should see a silver button here saying login, or gray. Next up, go ahead, type in your username and password. This is going to be my username, and just click on login. Also, make sure if you have 2FA enabled, you're gonna get a code on your phone via SMS or on your email, depending on what you use to protect your account. So since I've used the one for my phone, I'm gonna go ahead and request the SMS, and I'm gonna have to write the code down here. When you've done it, obviously click on submit. I already done that, so that's why we're on the home page, and now I'm actually logged in. So you should see your profile picture right here, top right as well. You're gonna go ahead and go into settings. And right here, the first page and profile, you should see profile settings down here, and it's going to say username, and this is it. So what we want to do is not change our display name, because here you can only customize the capitalization of your username. As you can see here, we're actually going to click here on this little pencil on the right side. As you can see here, it's going to say that username updates can be performed once every 60 days, so about 2 months. So make sure when you're changing your Twitch name to know that you cannot change it again for the next 2 months. I'm gonna go ahead and type in my new username. Alright, now that I've typed in my username, basically you're only going to have to click update. And your profile has been updated with your new username, and of course I cannot change it in 2 months. Now here with this, you can mess with the capitalization of your display name, which is a name that will appear if you're on the Twitch chat or on your profile. I'm just going to make sure that A is capital. I'm gonna save changes, and that's it. We've done it. Basically, I'm gonna go back to my channel, and as you guys can see, this is my name. There you have it. That's how to change your name on Twitch. First method. The second method is a bit more complicated, so let's get right into it. So method 2, as I said, it will involve contacting Twitch support, and it's not going to be instant, meaning you're going to have to wait a day or even a couple of days for them to solve the issue that you're having with your username. Alright, so we'll get to this page, contact us, basically contacting Twitch support. I'm going to leave the link down in the description below so you don't have to search for it. First things first, you're gonna have to fill in the blanks here. So your name, just type in your name, your Twitch username, which is the Twitch username you have right now. Mine current username that I've changed my name to is Amatsu1, so that's what you want to do. For certain subcategories, you'll need to log in, although I recommend logging in always, so just click on the login button. So once you log in, the page changes, so your name will be up here, your Twitch username, and so on. Let's go ahead and move on to the categories. So on the category department, you want to make sure you select account login issues. Next up, we have subcategories, and as you can see, there's 2 different subcategories, being changing username and changing the display name. Now I believe changing the display name is the part where you cannot change the capitalization of certain letters. So that's the subcategory you want to pick if you want to make something capital, and you can. But changing the username is changing your actual entire Twitch name. So if you want to do that, make sure to click there. Once you finish scrolling all the way down on the subject, you want to type in whatever your problem is, pretty much. So just sum it up in short, you know, it's a subject, and in the description you want to describe your entire problem. You have platform slash OC, depending on what you use, just select it. So for me it's website Chrome, and finally finish the captcha. Just click on submit. After you submit the ticket, your desktop should look something like this. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it helped you out. Next video regarding Twitch I'm going to make is how to get any name you want, pretty much. So even if it's taken, there is a chance you might be able to get it. I'm gonna show you how in that next video. It's not gonna be literally next video, but next video regarding Twitch. Okay, good night, bye.